Scarface, legendary movie, right? Never really watched it. I did turn it on one time, but that's when I was typing like a 20-page paper for college, and it was just background noise. I wasn't really paying attention to it. I just needed something to, I don't know. I just need background noise when I work. But Scarface, don't bring a chainsaw to a gunfight scene. We gonna get into it. I'm not even gonna hold y'all too long with the intro. Let's go. I need to get a drop top, bro. I could just cruise, you know what I'm saying? Let the wind blow through my beard. Hey!
Okay. Money stays in the trunk till I come out. You got it?
Tony
Me, no
Montana. Haha, I talked to
You're
him.
not out in 15 minutes. Something's wrong. Okay? Room 9. You ready? Sure thing.
15 minutes, bro. Money stays in the trunk. Bro, you got your piece showing? I was about to say, you got your... Cover that up. I wonder where this is filmed. I don't know why I'm getting like Florida, maybe Vegas vibes. I'm thinking Florida or Vegas. It's definitely not Georgia, but
Hola, ¿cómo va todo, mi pana?
what?
Entra.
Yeah, well, this ain't pleasure. This is business, cuz we ain't on that type of time.
Okay. Am I leaving the door open so as my brother knows everything is okay?
Sure, no problem. No problem. Perdón. This is Marta.
Oh,
Martha. Hello.
I am Hector.
I ain't Tony.
Hector. You know what I'm saying? Tony, what's up, bro? Y'all gonna do business? What y'all got going on?
Okay.
Yeah? Good. Almost okay.
Okay.
Okay. So, you got the money?
You got your stuff?
Sure, I has this top, but I don't has it right here with me now. I got it close by. What's the apple?
Nah, this ain't nah, bro. No, this is business. Dude, I'm not riding with you nowhere. If you ain't got it right now, I'm taking my money and I'm gone, bro. I'm not. This is. You can't. People are shady. I'm not trusting nobody. No, we already in a sketchy situation. Your girl look rough. She hurt on the bed. It look bummy in here a little bit. I'm not. Nah, I'm not trusting it,
I got it
bro.
close by. What's the apple?
And he a little bit too like he checking outside the door. What you
I don't
checking
have the
for?
money either, man.
Yeah, I don't have the money either, Mike.
I have it close by too.
Yeah.
Where?
Where is it? I'm not gonna tell you.
In the car.
No, not in the car.
No?
How about you? Where'd you have your stuff?
Where'd you hide your stuff?
Not far.
Not far. Nah, bro.
Okay. You want me to come in? We start over again, man?
Where you from, Tony?
Bro, go home.
Difference does it make where I'm from?
Yeah, talk to him, Tony. Yeah. Get hostile a little bit. Your brother ain't got no strap.
Want to get to know how I do business with
You're
you.
gonna get to know me when you start doing business with me and stop fucking around.
This is what I was saying. You gotta be on point, especially when you're doing illegal activity. Not only do you gotta be on point for the cops, the coppers, but you might get duped. This is any level of illegal activity. This dude could be a whole smoker for all you know, just tweaked out. You don't know what's going. Keep an eye on your surroundings, bro. Be lookout. You know Tony's strapped. So you good, but keep look out for anybody approaching. Ain't no way they should have been able to sneak up behind you with the strap.
Business to
You're
you.
gonna get to know me when you start doing business with me and stop fucking around.
Yeah, let him know, Tony.
Okay?
Mira, Antonio.
What's the story?
Dummy! Oh yeah, put that. Oh!
Páralo en el baño. Ahora.
Bro, yo homie ain't got no weapon. Is he unarmed?
You steal from your day.
Yeah. Okay.
They got them heavy power mode. Oh, they got them heavy duties.
Will I kill your brother first?
That's your brother?
Before I kill you.
Why don't you try sticking your head up your ass? See if it fits.
I'm not gonna lie, if I'm their brother, I'm hot, bro. I'm mad, bro. This is my life. Like, come on. Shoot her. Oh, with that chainsaw!
Sube el volumen.
Yes, of course, sir.
Yeah, it's very important.
Yes, I understand. Of course.
Yes, thank you.
You're welcome.
You forecast an earthquake in the 3 to 4 point range this morning. We had an earthquake in the 3 to 4 point range this morning. I'm impressed.
Thank you, sir.
However,
Where the homies at? What they doing? I know they're not still talking to that lady. I know they're not talking to that lady, bro.
I like the way I don't know what I'm supposed to do today.
That's what caught your eye. She ain't even got no booty. Okay, let's keep it pushing. Let's keep it pushing. I'm just saying though, bro. Oh.
Hey, Antonio. Mira. Watch what happens to your friend. You don't want this to happen to you? You give me the money, okay?
No, bro. No, bro. Bro. Oh. You see what I'm saying? This is why you gotta check.
Coño.
Bro. So you mean to tell me you didn't even get nothing from her? You didn't get no number? No nothing? You didn't get nothing in the homie in here dying with the chain? You know how much that gotta hurt? Oh my gosh. And you didn't get no number, no nothing. You see, this is why you can't have people that you have to have business-minded homies with you, bro. You can't have people like him. You can't have people like him. And the guy that was with Tony, at least they was together, and he was, you know what I'm saying? He was being a lookout. He wasn't a good lookout, but he was lookout. You know what I'm saying? But these two, and y'all didn't park where y'all could be seen, so y'all didn't see the people sneaking up with the gun on. If I'm Tony Montana, bro, I gotta watch this movie. Because if I'm Tony Montana, bro, I promise you, he's dead. Oh my gosh, y'all just killed the homie, bro. They cutting up the homie. You ain't getting nothing but a peck on the cheek. Those some nice glasses though. Y'all don't see the blood on the window?
Ah, the leg, huh?
Oh, they just cut off his arm? Ah!
Vamos a ver. Ya ahora, man. Ya ahora.
Let's do it, man. Come on.
Okay. No te apures, ¿ok?
Don't worry about it.
Cuidado con los viejos, Dale.
Let me see where they parked at, bro. Cause y'all supposed to be he lookout, but he's supposed to be extra lookout, bro. They done cut that man to pieces, my guy.
You can die too, it makes no difference to me.
Ok, chichón. Te voy coge por atrás. Yo subo por aquí.
Sí, mano.
But I like it. Split up. Split up. Split up.
Fuck you.
Yeah! Talk to him! Yeah. Ooh. I just don't want to know how y'all gonna clean that up, bro. See, if this would have been the day, Tony would have died, because you just got plugged that in and turn it on. Yeah, 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 yeah. Ha Oh, that. Oh, he done dropped the chainsaw, bro. Oh, you shot. Where the homie at? Where the homie at? Bro, where the other homie? Ha ha! Nope. Did he just chainsaw through the door? Bro, dummy. Did he just... Yes, sir. Yeah, yeah, yeah. Yeah, Tony Montana. You know what I'm saying? Yeah.
Okay. Yeah, man. Went in and out.
Now you in trouble with the law. You done broken somebody else's motel with a chainsaw. Your room is full of dead bodies and blood.
Chichi, get the yayo.
Haha, get that yayo. That cocaína. Yeah, go get that. Bro, you just came out with covered in blood of motel. And he just, oh, y'all going straight to prison. Haha, skadoosh. Girl, how? Gee, homie. You need Tony Montana's, bro. You need Tony Montana's. Bro, they done got your license plate, bro. You better get out of there. Switch cars. Cause all them gonna snitch. They telling. I gotta watch this movie, bro. You need a Tony Montana. I'm telling you, bro. That done got me hyped. That got me hyped. But that's all I got for this reaction. I need to watch the movie. Really enjoyed myself with this reaction. But that's all I got for it. If you enjoyed the reaction, make sure you hit that like button. Rock with me. Make sure you subscribe. Comment down below. But that's all I got. I'm out.